Our container measures a width of 16 and our wall panels are made of polyurethane sandwich panels, rock wool sandwich panels or EPS sandwich panels. Now let's take a look at the internal structure of the house with the lens. Follow the lens. We can see that our roof is made of gray resin tiles. And we can also use red or other colors. Also could choose the corrugated plate or sandwich panels on the top roof. There is a relatively large terrace in outside, with 3 meters length. And the width is 1.5 meters. Of course, the size can be customized according to customer requirements. Our door is made of a grade fire-resistant and flame-retardant steel. And the door handle lock is made of stainless steel with a span life of more than 10 years. As we follow the camera we can see our interior space is still quite spacious. The entire interior design of the house is 18 square meters. Our container's circuit adopts a dark wire circuit design. Of course, we can use clear lines, simpler assembly, more convenient circuit maintenance. The switch we can choose European, US, etc. standard. We can provide more choices to customers. For floor we can use PVC, composite or solid wood flooring. Take a look at the top light. If there are lights, there are LED square light, circular light, strip light. We are using a common and wide 831 ceiling. We could also change it as sandwich panel, as the same design as we used on the World Cup. This container's entire ceiling is made of our cotton sandwich panel.